Ladies and gentlemen, the most coveted award this year goes to that individual who has lived the values of knowledge, action, and care and demonstrated the true spirit of entrepreneurship to think big, take the initiative, and deliver results, to empower oneself to act on opportunities and take ownership for business goals. So, can I have a huge round of applause for the Employee of the Year 2016, Mr.
सिद्धेश्वर, ओ सिद्धेश्वर, ये लो कंपनी का एड्रेस। बड़े कंपनी में एडमिशन कराया है पांडे जी ने। चलो गो टू स्लीप, यू हैव लॉन्ग जर्नी टुमारो ना। मुंबई जा रहे हो, संभल के रहना। और हाँ, वहाँ सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही बात करना, इंग्लिश में ही बात करना।
Station, Mumbai Central.
Survive if you've got the base. You gotta be fast, you gotta be dense, you gotta be sure not to win the race. छोटा छोटा मैटर बने पुलिस के, बड़ा बड़ा लफड़ा कुल without trade. घबराने को नहीं, give it in the face. क्या बोलता है? हाँ, जैसा देश वैसा भेष.
समझ गया ना? चल नाच।
खाने का, पीने का, मरने का, जीने का, चलने का, फिरने का, उठने का, गिरने का, टेंशन नहीं लेने का, भाव ऐसे उठने का, कसरत आए मुंबई, आने का, जाने का, नाचने का, गाने का, खाने का, धोने का, हंसने का, रोने का, बोलने वाले का, आए ऐसे उठने का, कसरत आए मुंबई. Pandeji Namaste. Myself Siddheshwar Kumar Purohit, come for office boy. Thus began Siddheshwar's journey in Piramal Realty. Having studied till the 10th grade and with basic understanding of the English language, he was given the job of an office boy. The smart lad that he was, adapting to the new job and being sincere to it, came almost naturally to him. He quickly became the office favorite. Everybody lovingly called him Sid. Sid, chai lana?
Sid, files please.
मैं सबका फेवरेट हूँ. कोई हीरो यहाँ, कोई जीरो यहाँ, कोई स्टार है, कोई बेकार है. मैं कौन हूँ तुमसे मैं क्या कहूँ, है सच तो ये दोस्तों. I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. Yes, you are the best. You see how popular he was. They say that people who achieve great success are not necessarily more educated than the others. What separates them is their burning desire and thirst for knowledge. Learning is growing. Sid would learn and practice all the ways of his sales managers. He strived to improve his English, mimic the kind of roles these managers played at work, and understand the projects that they pitched. And a year or so later, team,
tomorrow is the big day, the flower show. We will be getting a lot of walk-ins. It's gonna be a busy day, better get some rest. All the best. Busy day? It sure was. Hundreds of walk-in clients, school kids, themed gardens and coffee shops, live performances and the amazing little Sultan. Amidst this hustle bustle, little did Sid know that his moment of glory was just around the corner. A potential client had just walked into the sales center and looked interested in the project. On seeing that every other sales manager was busy, Sid thought of attending to the client and giving her an overview of the product. He was now finally putting to use all that he had learned and seen so far. And moments later, ma'am, this is our Vice President of Sales, Mr.
Atul, how are you?
Maya. What a pleasant surprise. What brings you to the site today?
I just came to see the project and was assisted through the entire project by this fine lad here. You have some very promising managers, I must say.
Who's Sid? You? Meet me in my cabin afterwards. Seeing Sid's potential, the VP of Sales made a decision to mentor him. So did the rest of the employees of the organization. Cause isn't that what Pyramid is all about? We empower people to take decisions and help each other grow with values. I stand before you truly humbled by this award. I had once heard in a movie that if you really want something, then the universe conspires to make it happen. Well, in my case, this universe has been all of you, my Piramal family. A family that has helped me grow, has guided me and encouraged me, given me opportunities, empowered me to act decisively and think big. From a simple office boy to the employee of the year, this award is not mine alone, but an achievement for all of us who have exhibited the true spirit of entrepreneurship in the way we work. Thank you for making my dreams come true.